Hi guys, Carly here with Recreational Power Sports, here to take you guys through a new trade that we just got in. So behind me here we've got a 2008 Sun Tracker Party Barge. It's a 26-foot pontoon. Lots of really great things on this guy. So let's start here at the trailer. So as you can see, it's on a very nice tandem axle galvanized trailer. Really great condition, no real rust or anything like that. Nice little step ladder to get you in and out. Helps when you're docking, trailering the boat, everything like that. Very, very nice. You got your lights up here up front. As you can see, as we go down the side of the boat, the tunes are in really, really great condition. There is a little bit in the decals that's kind of coming off, but really not that bad for a 2008. Very, very nice. You can see just what great condition the tunes are in. Some lifting stakes, so that's always really nice too to help you get up onto plane that little bit easier. Nice open rail on this guy, so you can it has a little bit of more flexibility, functionality with the pontoon. Again, just a little bit in the decals, but really that's just minor issues. In the back here, you can see it's got a nice little swim platform. So nice for getting on and off the boat, jumping off, a little bit of room to add an accessory or two. You've got a tow ski pylon here. So great for your skiers, everything like that. You wouldn't want to tow a tube from here, but great for your skiers. And then here we've got our engine. So this guy is a 135 Mercury Opti. So really great engine. It has been fully serviced and it has 101 hours on it. So very low hours, very good. Nice 3-blade stained aluminum prop. So very nice. And then as we go down on this side, you can see this also has a trolling motor with it. So mounted here to the back, very nice out of the way so that you don't have to worry about stubbing or anything. Very nice little accessory that they've added. And then as we go down this side of the boat, you can see it's still like the aluminum is in really, really great shape. Again, a little bit in the decals, but not too much to write home about. Let's hop in and check out what the inside has. All right, here on the inside of the boat, it's got a little bit of a different layout than a lot of the pontoons that we've kind of had in the past. So with this one here, it's actually got a bit more of a side gate as opposed to a center gate. So you're kind of coming in on the side, which is a little bit nice, kind of gives that little bit different feel to the outlay. We've got a really nice L-shaped couch up here, lots of room, cup holders, lots of space for like everybody to kind of sit and relax. Storage under the compartments, so that nice big rotocast storage. Lots of room for all your towels, your life jackets, everything like that. Under this seat right here, there's also a garbage can. So also really nice just to keep everything nice and neat and tidy. And then some storage on this side. So able to access the garbage can that way, maybe a little bit of extra storage. And then there's one in the back as well. Up here, there's two nice lounge chairs. So to be able to sit, they do swivel. So you can have that little bit of ability to kind of change up, have that nice group feel on the pontoon. A nice little table here so that you've got that little bit of space to put your drinks, everything like that. Very, very nice. And as you can see, the inside of the pontoon is fully carpeted. So the carpet is in good condition. There's no real stains or anything like on that. Gives it a nice cozy feel to it. As we come to the helm here, it is a bit of a raised helm, which is nice. A little bit of a cubby space right here so you can tuck a cooler or something. And then you can also see the nice big bimini on this guy. So covers the nice back half. The driver gives that lots of sun protection on those really hot summer days. At the helm here, again, we've got a nice comfortable captain's chair. We've got the tilt steering, which is always really nice getting in and out. We've got a Lowrance fish finder, your stereo, and then all of your controls. So we've got your lights, your docking lights, a master battery switch, which is really nice. Helps just making sure that you're not draining the batteries on those long summer days. A little bit of a holder right here with a volt plug-in charger, some cup holders, and then a little bit of storage down here as well. As we come to the back of the boat, there's a very nice entertainer kind of setup on this guy. So again, we've got another L-shaped couch back here, storage under the compartments, as well as this really nice triangle table. So giving you that little bit of room, depending on how you would like to do it, to kind of have a little bit of flexibility with how everybody is sitting, as well as a little sink station here. So you've got a sink, a nice little pad here, some cup holders, and then some drawers to store whatever you might need to store in that. In the back here, we also have a pop-up change room. So it's a nice big one. It's got a little bench in there, so you can put a little, a little toilet or something like that. Lots of room to change, out of your bathing suit. Very, very nice space. And then even just a bit of a sunbed to hang out on. And then again, at the back here, we've got your swim platform. So again, nice room back here to kind of jump off, even maybe add a barbecue back here just to even give that more entertainer feel. Your trolling motor, again, nice and tucked away so it's not hanging off the front. Somebody's not going to stub their toe. All of that. Very, very nice layout on this boat. Lots of room for people, lots of room for friends and family. It's a really awesome pontoon boat. Again, 2008 Sun Tracker Party Barge, 26 foot. So if you'd like to know about more information on this boat, check out our website at recreationalpowersports.com or come on down to the dealership. We'd love to show you this boat.